Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with a Norwegian language school. Today we will discuss how to use sin, si, sit, sit, and sine in Norwegian. The Norwegian language has unique possessive pronouns that might appear intricate to learners. Especially challenging are the pronouns sin, si, sit, and sine. Our discussion today aims to shed light on the correct usage. The basics, what do they signify? Sin, sit, and sine are reflexive possessive pronouns used to indicate that something belongs to the subject of the sentence. In English, the equivalents would be his own, her own, its own, or their own. Understanding each pronoun, sin, used for masculine nouns. For example, han vasker bilen sin, han vasker bilen sin, han vasker bilen sin. He washes his own car. Si, reserved for feminine nouns. For example, hun vasker skjorta si, hun vasker skjorta si, hun vasker skjorta si. She washes her own shirt. Sit for neuter nouns. Barnet spiser eplet sitt. Barnet spiser eplet sitt. Barnet spiser eplet sitt. The child eats its own apple. Sine. This plural form can be used with nouns of any gender. De leser bøkene sine. De leser bøkene sine. De leser bøkene sine. They read their own books. Rules of usage. Subject relationship. The object of the sentence must belong to the subject. If this isn't the case, use hans, his, or hennes, hers, or deres, theirs instead. Incorrect would be like this. Hun vasker skjorta si. Hun vasker skjorta si. Hun vasker skjorta si. She washes her shirt if the shirt belongs to someone else. Correct then will be hun vasker skjorta hennes. Hun vasker skjorta hennes. Hun vasker skjorta hennes when the shirt belongs to another woman. Exclusivity to the third person. These pronouns are exclusively used in the third person and don't apply to the first. Jeg, min, or second person. Do, din. Position in sentences. Contrary to English possessive pronouns, these Norwegian reflexive pronouns come after the noun they modify. Pitfalls to avoid. Mistaking with hans, or hennes. It's essential to differentiate, for example, han ser hatten hennes. Han ser hatten hennes. Han ser hatten hennes. He sees her hat. Here the hat belongs to another woman, not the subject. Misidentifying gender. It's crucial to use the gender-appropriate pronoun. Masculine, sin. Feminine, si. Neuter, sit. and plural, sine, sine, sine. While sin, si, sit, sit, and sine might initially appear daunting, consistent practice and engagement can help in mastering their use. It's essential to recognize the relationship between the subject and the object and to place the reflexive pronoun correctly. With the determination, you'll soon grasp the nuances. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.